This is the project for smart emotion detection. So basically, this project involves to detect the emotion based on different parameters like audio, text, and face. Okay, so basically, system detect emotion during driving. This project can be useful in such while driving. So and after detecting emotion depending on these three factor audio, text, and face, it generalize average emotion, and based on average emotion it shows the code as well as recommended song to play. So this project can be helpful to to do safe driving as our system based on emotion suggesting some codes and songs so that driver can drive properly. Okay, so to start the project it was like login page, and this is a main dashboard. Okay, so in this there first we have to start the camera, and suppose you want to record some audio, so you have to click on this start audio recording button. So then it will start the recording and work accordingly. I suggest keep with a good camera with a good quality. Okay, as I have lights in background, so that's why it is not working properly. Maybe it will not work, but yeah, it is working. It is saying ki it is neutral, and I'm in neutral for right. So let's record some audio. Okay, so as it's neutral, that means considering as a positive, and and taking the final result like see as of now it is detecting as a fear as I am talking, right? So my emotion is getting changed. So yeah, so that's why we have taken three different parameter to identify the emotion audio, text, and face, so that we will have a proper result. Okay, so because sometimes face can be give a wrong result, right? As we are we can see, because sometimes it is not giving correct result because I'm talking. So that's why maybe my face expression getting changed. Okay, so that's why. So let's record some audio. Okay. Hey, hi. Today I'm feeling very great. Today is very great day, and I love driving, and I'm enjoying this journey. Okay, so I have recorded some audio, and if you see in the backend, so system will decode the text from the whatever I am saying. So it will decode that text and will also predict the audio emotion. So as you can see, my audio was also pretty well, right? It was positive because I have not screwed and not I have not increased my voice, everything, right? So that is considered as a positive response. Similarly, text was also positive. So overall average, it is saying कि my emotion is positive. So based on positive, it is giving me a recommendation कि I should not get very motivated and should not drive very fast or something, right? So it is giving recommendation based on the safe driving and to enjoy the journey. Okay, and also it is suggesting some songs name. So if I click to this play button, then it will go to YouTube. It will ask to play the song. Okay, so we can directly click on it and we can play the song. Okay, like that. So this way, it is working. So let's try some harsh word, and then let's screw in audio. Okay, like that. Hey, hi. I'm not feeling well today. Today is very bad day. I don't want this journey. It's a very bad day, and I'm not feeling well today. I want to quit this journey. So as of now, I have done some script in the audio. So as you can see, the audio it is detecting it's negative because I have scripted a lot, right? And we have trained the algorithm. So based on our data set, in the data set having some negative and positive thoughts audios are there. So based on that, it is detecting. So it is giving very good accuracy, and face is neutral, right? And which is correct because I'm not giving any expression, and audio was negative, text was negative, so overall it is considering as a negative because it's negative, and right. So this way is giving recommendation, and it is giving some motivated song so that I will not get negative and do not quit the journey, like that. Okay, so this way system is working and it is giving pretty good accuracy. So I suggest keep good camera and with good mic laptop. Okay, and also good processor. So this way it is working. Okay, so it will continuously, it is in every 5 second it is checking the response. Okay, it is checking the emotions. We can change this time whether we want to check this recommendation in every 5 seconds, or we want it to increase. It's depending on code, so we can modify this. Okay, but as of now it is checking in every 5 seconds. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.